Hey, excuse me, is this your first time at this event?
Hi. Yeah, it is. I just moved to the city last month. What about you?
I've been to a few of these before. They're a great way to meet people.
That's good to know. So, do you come to these events often?
Not every time, but I try to come when I can. It's always interesting.
That's cool. By the way, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. I'm Mark. Welcome to the city.
Thanks, Mark. I appreciate it.
So, where are you from originally?
I'm from Seattle. And you?
I'm from Chicago, but I've been here for a few years now.
That's awesome. Do you like living here?
I do. The weather is nice, and there's always something happening.
That sounds great. I'm still exploring. Any recommendations?
Definitely. You should check out the downtown area. There are some great restaurants and parks.
That sounds like a plan. Do you have a favorite spot?
Yeah. There's a cafe near the river. It's perfect for relaxing or working.
I'll have to try it out. Do you work nearby?
Kind of. I'm a software developer, so I mostly work from home.
That's cool. I'm in marketing, so I'm in an office most of the time.
Nice. What kind of marketing do you do?
Digital marketing, mostly social media campaigns and ads.
That's interesting. Do you like it?
I do. It's creative. And every day is different. What about you? Do you enjoy your work?
Yeah, I love it. Programming can be challenging, but it's rewarding.
That's awesome. So, what do you do for fun here?
I like hiking and going to the beach. There are some great trails nearby.
I love hiking too. Maybe you can show me some of those trails sometime.
Sure thing. Let me know when you're free.
Will do. It was great meeting you, Mark.
Same here, Emma. Enjoy the event.
Thanks. You too.